G'day folks, I'm Wayne, welcome back to the channel. We're off to catch some bait this morning, I hope. I'm going to head down the jetty with the Sabiki jig and see if we can't get ourselves some herring. Morning. So that there's a little herring, what we call here a herring. They lose their scales really quickly. They certainly don't release, and they don't live very long out of water, so I put this one in the bucket, but that's what we're chasing, 20 or 30 of those on our little bait jig, a UTG from Okuma. It's UTG is up the guts, because that's where the Sabiki jig lives. When I get home, I just throw the water nozzle in the middle of that guts, hoses it off, and it's good for the next trip. Very safe way to fish for these things, very good way to fish for these things. Let's get some more bait. Doesn't take long, and we're on again. Another two. Another two, throw them in the bucket. So this is what the fish come around and feed off from the pylons. It's a, you can see the little suckers there. They suck onto the pylons. That's quite soft. It's not a shell. It might look like a shell, but that's quite a soft, fleshy feed there for a good brim or a jack. Pretty much anything that feeds on the pylons. That's what they're chasing. So I'll just put this away and we'll have a bit of talk about it here. See how easily that rolled up. Well, what we're catching is herring. We've got a few to start with. I won't bore you with my next half hour and I'm catching the same fish over and over, but you can see here that's about 4 or 5 pulls up. Very, very easy way to fish. Very rewarding for kids, so nice and safe. This is a Sabiki rod, so it's called a UTG 732 SBK, SBK Sabiki. UTG is up the guts, so you can see there's no runners in this. The actual Sabiki jig sits in the middle of this blank. The blank is flexible, so it's not a broomstick by any stretch of the imagination, and you can pretty much use any 10-pound line. This is a 10-pound platypus, so 10-pound platypus, you put a sinker on the end, as you can see in the video there, so just heavy enough to get to the bottom, and then you just work your way around the pylons until you find a little school of herring. Once you've found them, you collect your bait and you go home happy. Well, that brings us to the end of another video. As you can see, very easy clean. When you get home, stick the rod up the end of the barrel and it gets rid of all the salt and the Sabiki jig inside of the rod. A little spray on the reel and you're ready for the next time. Thank you very much for watching. Hit that subscribe tab, hit the like tab for me, it helps the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.